Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your Miro notifications. That can be emails, mobiles, or even connectivity to Slack because they do have that. Ton of different notifications that you can manage. And so I'm going to show you them all. Click your account on the upper right hand side in Miro and click in profile settings. Under the profile settings, you have the option to select notification. And so you have a whole bunch of notifications here. So you have board and conversation notifications. You can select or deselect whichever one you want. It's really up to you. So here you have them all. You can select whatever you want. And as you can see, there are various types. You can even go ahead and set those time right here by clicking start and once every hour, and you can set these as well. So it's really up to you. If you scroll down, you have the space activity. You can enable these. You have the team activity. You can enable or disable whichever you don't want. And also you have the email update. So you can go ahead and enable the ones that you want and what you don't want. So for example, if you don't want to participate in any survey and product testing, just uncheck this and you will not receive any email alerts for that. The same goes for promotion and events. You can go ahead and do the same. So go through the list and set the notifications that you want and disable the ones that you don't want so that your inbox will not be cluttered. And that's it, guys.